95% of marketing automation fails. Why? Because it treats everyone the same. But NBA AI doesn't. Hello, I'm Ayush Chen presenting NBA AI, a marketing intelligence system which has 10 agents but one mission: personalize everything. Meet Peter Parker, a broke student and a freelance photographer. One day he finds the perfect lens for his work, but he hesitates thinking $299 is just out of my budget. As he abandons the cart, traditional automation signs this: Dear customer, you left item in the cart. He ignores it. It's a noise. This is why marketing automation fails. It ignores context. So why agent? You can't hire a psychologist and a copywriter for every single customer, but NBA AI does. It scales that expert team to millions of customers instantly. Here's the architecture. NBAI contains these 10 agents which are divided into three clusters. First is discovery, which thinks, find the pattern, create action option. Second is validation, which checks safety and ensures good ROI. Third is execution, which acts, decides timing, creates content, waits for approval, tracks result, and enables self-learning system. During orchestration, agents communicate through shared session memory. Let's see NBA in action. Okay, so let's start the demo. This is all our agents code and the environment. I have already run the code. So let's directly jump to the output. Okay, so here it is. So the proxy agent first created the customer profile of Peter Parker, and based on this profile, the profiler agent along with the pattern matcher agent created the customer summary where they labeled the Peter Parker's purchase intent as high, brand loyalty medium, price sensitivity high, churn risk assessment medium, and has given an urgency score of 0.9. Based on this, action generator agent recommended four actions. The first one is email discount of 15% plus free shipping. Second one is SMS reminder. Third is value email. And fourth is again the email discount of 18%. Validator agent approved all the actions while scorer agent shortlisted action 1 and 4, and finally action 1 was chosen, that is of giving 50% off and free shipping through email. Now the timing optimizer agent has recommended the push time of email to be around late evening of 28th November, and the content creator agent has created email body. And of course the human approval waited for the approval of human, and after it was approved, the result tracker agent recorded the marketing action of Peter Parker and then updated it to the system for continuous learning. So that's the demo. Let's move to the next slide. Here on the right is the communication that was sent to Peter. Can you see the difference? The left is just very generic noise, while the right one is helpful personalized context. Now, curious about the math? The campaign just cost $5, but the profit earned was $85, a mind boggling ROI of 1700%. But the real result: Peter finally gets his lens, his family celebrates. Told you, from grumpily ignored to happily converted. See, I am not a coder, and yet I built this with Google Agents Development Kit. It didn't just help me build agents, it helped me build a self learning team, which is 96% faster, reduces 70% cost, has 73% success rate, and is production ready. The code is on Kaggle. Please go run it. Thank you.